Good morning, PTY kindergarten students. This week we will be learning about exploring plant life cycle. Exploring plant life cycle comes from text K.9a, K.9b, K.10a, and K.10b. K.9a states differentiate between living and non-living things based upon whether they have basic needs and produce offspring. K.9b examine evidence that living organisms have basic needs such as food, water, and shelter for animals, and air, water, nutrition, sunlight, and space for plants. K.10a states sort plants and animals into groups based on physical characteristics such as color, size, body covering, and leaf shape. K.10b identify basic parts of plants and animals. This week we'll be talking about plants, exploring plant life cycle. Focus questions for the weeks are: flowering plants undergo a series of predictable changes in their life, which repeats as a cycle with their living offsprings. In what ways do plants change as they go through their life cycles? In what ways do young plants resemble their parent plants? Exploring plant life cycle. Vocabulary. We have botanist, a scientist who studies plants. Change, to become different from the way it was before. Flower, the part of a plant that produces fruit. Fruit, the part of the plant that contains seeds. Life cycle, sequential stages sequential stages of growth and development that an organism goes through in its lifetime. Resembles, to be like or similar to something else. Seeds, small parts of a flowering plant that grows into a new plant. Seeding, a young plant grown from a seed. Next slide. In this next slide, you will watch a short video about the life cycle of a plant. This video should take about 3 to 5 minutes.
What is a life cycle? Today we will be learning all about the life cycle of a plant. But first, I want you to think of the following question. Do you look like your parents? Well, just like you, baby plants look like their parents. Just like you, plants go through changes as they grow. Those changes are part of its life cycle. All living organisms have a life cycle. Let's learn about the life cycle of a plant. It all starts with the seed. Seeds are the small parts produced by plants from which new plants grow. First, a seed is planted into the soil. The seed needs soil and water to help it grow. The seed needs light from the sun to bring it warmth. As you water the seed, the roots suck up all the water and the seed will grow and move into its next step. Germination. It's when the seed begins to sprout. From the germination, a seedling begins to grow, which becomes a tiny plant that comes out of the seed. Eventually, the seedling changes into an adult plant. At this stage, the plant is bigger and may have more leaves. The leaf is one of the most important parts of a plant. Leaves produce food for the plant. The leaves of different plants vary widely in size, shape, and color. Over time, the young adult plant will grow into an adult plant, where it has the ability to grow into a flower. Flowers then have the ability to produce fruits that have seeds inside. These seeds are used to begin the life cycle again and again.
That was a terrific video. And thank you for watching the video this week. And again, we studied exploring plant life cycle. Have a great day.